nice hunk of aluminum. A little screw here after remove. There you go. So we got more aluminum, which I wasn't expecting, but it's always nice to get some surprises. Got a bunch of boards here compared, a lot more board material compared to before. Again, gold pins, tantalum monolithic capacitors, gold in these audio things. There's a switch. Some of that. We got the eye, that's almost out. Get this board out. There we go. So we have another nice board here, lots of gold material. Gold in this little connector here. Gold pins, IC chips. Lots of monolithic capacitors. I see some tantalum capacitors. This is a little SD card port. There's gold there. There's gold on the back. It's a nice little board. Another hunk of aluminum. There's more in here for sure. Another piece of aluminum. Let's open the eye. Use this plastic. Three more screws. Almost. So let's get that out.